Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I go about treating my petunias for powdery mildew. These are cuttings that I took from the plants last year out of the hanging baskets. So if you can see that, I'll just try and change the angle a little bit. Right, now you can see that, as you can see there, you get like a grey powdery, well that's what I call it, powdery mildew on the surface of the leaves. If you don't treat it, it stunts the growth and you end up with very disfigured plants. So I'd recommend, if you spot this, to treat straight away. As you can see, these have been left and not watered regular enough because I wasn't very well a few weeks ago, but they're coming back nicely now. Once I've sprayed them and treated them, I shall, yeah, you can see it on that leaf there. Once I've sprayed and treated these, I shall cut them down to about there, once you get nice bushy plants. These are being taken in a mixture of peat-based compost and some perlite, and it really seems to do the trick for the cuttings. They really seem to enjoy that. They cut and they root really quick. So yeah, as you can see, it's spread through all these. They've ended up with powdery mildew. I know why, because in that couple of weeks where they didn't get regular water, so that made them prone. It made them stressed, like a human being. If you're stressed, you run down, you pick up infections a lot more easily, don't you? Once I've sprayed them, and now they're getting water regular and fed again, they will, a couple of days, and will start picking up a lot. Right, I'll see what I'm using. I am using this Bayer Garden Controls, Protects, Eradicates Fungus Fighter Concentrate. You can get this that's already watered down. It's really expensive. If you can get hold of this, get it, because once you've got it, mine's small garden, but I grow a lot of plants and it's lasted me a good few years. This, it's well worth it. It's under a tenner. I definitely recommend it to anybody. What I do, I've got this from the Poundland, and I get 5 or 6 of these, put on what I'm going to put in it, and I can keep using it time after time. So yeah, I mix them up, and I'll just show you what. All you have to do then is give them a good spray. You don't want direct sunlight when you're doing this. So it's cloudy today, so it's a perfect day for doing it. Or do it late evening when the sun's setting. Yeah, that's it. Nice good spray. Get all the leaves covered. You don't want to put too much on. That's it. Straight away you will see tomorrow. You'll see start to feel a lot healthier, because you don't have to fight off that infection anymore. You've taken care of that for them. And you can put some energy into reproducing, get some bigger leaves and some bigger flowers. Right, that's them done. If you've got any questions on how to treat plants for powdery mildew or infections or green fly, anything like that, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up. And remember everybody, happy sowing, happy growing. Keep safe everybody. Thank you for watching. Bye.